Welcome back to another video. Today we have clearance. Yes, clearance new lower prices. They're just going everywhere right now. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can make more reviews videos so you guys will miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, to start here, we got the Makita. This is 114 down from 189. Is an edge trimmer, 18 bolts. Alright, and we got these garden equipment. This one's down to 28 from 29.98. I believe there's some other ones. I've seen some other ones at Deal Team 6. Alright, garden equipment. You got this lawnmower, a 2-in-1 traditional gas. This is $2.99 down from $3.69, 21-inch. And then we got the battery, Dewalt 20-volt, 21 self-propelled, $5.49. So that's pretty good. You do get two 10-amp-hour batteries, the dual port, two chargers, not the dual port. And then we got the regular push, 21.5 20-volt. This one's $3.99 down from $5.49. So this one was a step down. And then we got the fuel. Yeah, just keep an eye out on these guys. Not necessarily this one, but there's different ones on clearance, so you guys could, I see them for as low as $1. So this one's $9.86 down from $24. Ultra bright LED flashlight. You got the Husky floral pruner. This is the clearance section, by the way. So there's a chainsaw for $104. What's one looks like $139, and then we got an attachment there for $136 down from $169. Expanded tiller, and yeah, $129, not $139. And I did hear that these attachments are capable with other tools. I don't know if Cobalt, let us know in the comment section if you have those attachments and which power heads are they compatible with. You got the Paso charger, $29, and you got the lithium ion battery, $49. Seems like they are changing the, I don't know if they're changing it or not. You got the charger for the NIC batteries. And then you got the NIC batteries themselves. This was $49 down from $82. Alright, then we got an inflator, 12-volt to 120-volt auto home inflator, $69 down from $89. So this is going to be an upgrade version of the $29 ones you guys see. This one, it is dual power, as you guys do see there. You got $10.97 for the high visibility square torpedo level, or an I-beam level for $16.97. Now, me personally, I'm not really into this color. They're, especially the levels, they are really hard to see. Not the square. The square is pretty good, but if you guys look at the color here, they're kind of hard to see. Not necessarily my favorite. This one's a little better, but I don't know. I think the blue's. Alright, we got some 30-piece Dewalt. We've seen this before. This one's still a pretty good deal for its value. So this is $9.97 for just under $10. So that's actually pretty good. Alright, we got another one here. We got the Link hanging shelf, $30 down from $59. Now, I did encounter a few of these throughout the store, so I don't know if they're going to roll out some new stuff. Got the bimetal blades, and then you got some Diablo blades here. So these are all from the holiday deals, $6.54 down from $12. And then you got a 2-pack of 6.5 and 7.25. You got the Milwaukee accessory vacuum air tip accessory, $12.97. And then you got a 3-in-1 crevice brush, $14.97, all from Milwaukee. That's it right there. I would definitely use that one. Yeah. And then you got the impact driver and drill driver. These are hammer drill, I believe. Yeah, hammer drill, $304. With 4-amp-hour battery and a 6. So these are pretty premium tools. $45 down from $70. This is a really good deal for a 16-gauge finish nailer. So definitely jump on this one. Whoever sees this, make sure you guys get it, because that's a really good deal for this one. These are solid nailers. I personally do own not this one, but the Brads, and I have nothing but good things to say about it. I've done a few remodels with it myself. $9.97 down from $14. Oxide bit sets, or drilling bit set. You got the Flex Bolt Dewalt $6.99. This is something I'm looking into. See if I'm gonna get something like that, or either that or a Milwaukee. Let us know in the comment section which one do you have. Do you like it? Which one do you recommend me to go with? I know there's a new one coming out, the Flex. I know there's a YouTuber that just released a video. There's a new Flex coming out, battery powered with the cord. I already got the buy one get one free. So these are the the new buy one get one free. So if you guys haven't checked out, that's one of the tools that's in it, and this is one of the newer tools that is going to be on that new buy one get one free. Make sure you guys stay subscribed if you guys want to find out about those hacks, about those deals, buy one get one free deals. They are going to be dropping the 29th of this month, I believe, according to Deal Team 6 members. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys stay subscribed, because when those deals drop, sometimes they drop glitches, and those glitches are crazy low. Sometimes it's just 2 for 1 or 3 for 1 or 5 for 1. We've seen everything here. I already got the Force. These are the new batteries, 6 amp hour batteries. Not necessarily the cheapest, but they are $1.99 in case you're looking for them. They are in the battery section, the cage, whatever you want to call this, the prison. You got this is the $20 down from $2.15. This is a killer deal for those jack stands. All right, you got these boxes. These are solid boxes. Definitely love the color, the matte finish, and the color, the design, the quality on these. These are awesome. I think they are definitely getting some good deals on, or getting some good equipment. You got the Husky 8-piece all-purpose storage bins for $19.98. This is our new. I never seen these before, but very interesting what they did with this. So they kind of got you different storage bins, so you guys could, just keep them on the toolbox or just lay them anywhere around the truck. And then you got these. These are the weatherproof storage bins. This is a 12-inch. And then you got the half on the other side. I believe these are compatible with those modular boxes. $39 down from $69. This is actually pretty good for the carver tool, because you guys are doing other stuff that, Halloween stuff. These are the new deals, guys. Yeah, new deals from Dewalt. Talking about a new deal, new tool. This is a $139. This is XR 8-inch pruning chainsaw. Now, I personally haven't seen one of these, especially not even a video or a review for one. This is $89 for the pruner. But yeah, this is an 8-inch chainsaw, basically. Handheld chainsaw with the, you got 2 big handles there. You guys could use it one-handed or two-handed with. All right, you got the electric powered cleaner. 4 nozzles, $129 from $169. You got 450 psi. This is gonna be like a garden hose. I think this is one of the better ones out there, but still, it's not gonna be your pressure washer type of stuff. And here's the accessories that comes in it. Different. You got a soap cannon or soap dispenser. This is the 18-inch pressure washer surface cleaner. So this is for the gas pressure washer up to 3,700 psi, $159. And then talking about gas pressure washers, 3,100 psi, $479 for this one. This was the Dewalt's brand, powered by Honda, made in the USA with global materials. So all the bells and whistles for that engine, at least for a good quality engine. All right, you got the surface cleaner for the smaller electric pressure cleaners. You got the battery powered trimmer, 22-inch for this edge trimmer. And then you got a blower, which is pretty decent at 450 CFM, 125 miles per hour. 20-volt max brushless handheld blower, $159 for $179 tool only. So this is actually pretty decent. It's very comparable to the Milwaukee one. Maybe a little bit better on CFM. $159 from $179. You got the brushless powered string trimmer. And then this is, I believe this is one's the folding. Yeah, this one is the folding, 14-inch. And it says 40% shorter when it folded, so easier to store. And then you got the shears, the pruning shears, $199. These are tool onlys, by the way. Got the edge trimmer, 8-inch, $199. And then you got the pruning saw, 6-inch, $149. You guys know that Dewalt, it is 8-inch, so you're getting something a little bigger there on that one. And they're all about the same price, so make sure you guys think about that one. You got the job site fan. Guys, I did see this. This is the Buy More Save More. Somehow they had this hidden on the back, and there is Milwaukee. So this is side one original price at 326 start, and then ends on 7/7/24. So you guys know that is coming. Maybe in about a month or so, or maybe a month and a half. So keep an eye out for that one. The Buy More Save More. I got the chainsaw 16-inch chainsaw 329, and then you got the top handle chainsaw 14-inch for 349. So this is what most pros are looking for, a top handle, and they're definitely trying to get the pros into these lines, but it's gonna be a lot expensive, especially when you invest in all those batteries that you're gonna need in those trailers. And all right, you got the attachments. These are the attachments for the power head for the Milwaukee. You got 219 a quick lock edge trimmer. Then you got 179 for the brush cutter, 149 for the quick lock edge cutter. All right, talking about Ryobi, most homeowner grade type of stuff, but these are pretty much to a medium size to larger home. You got 525 CFM. That's very decent. It is a kit, so they do come with battery and charger. All right, talking about something that you want to have in the house for cleaning. This is one's a really good item. I do have one of these myself. So this is 119. This is very inexpensive. I know there's another one that's more expensive. All right, toolboxes. Love the green on this one, green and black. It's a great contrast of the color. Nice wood top there, and self-closing drawers. And then you got some deep drawers at the bottom for your power tools or chargers, whatever you have. And then you got the Husky in orange, 548, a 10 drawer, 52-inch. That is the orange one. I really like the contrast in the black as well. You got the white, and now this one, I wish it had the black contrast. It would have looked really nice. You can also paint it, but yeah, even $398, not bad for a 46-inch 9 drawer, but yeah, I would prefer the black on that one. All right, Milwaukee, guys, these are down to $17 from $19. Remember, these were the buy more, save more. You buy 3, save 10. You buy 5, save something. I can't remember exactly. Well, it turns out that if you buy around 5, you save. They do come down to around $11. That's what I heard. So let us know in the comment section. You got this nail gun. This nail gun's $262 down from $349. That's pretty good. You got the Paca wall plates, $99. These are from the holiday deals, the Black Friday deals. And I'm guessing these are going to go down in price because nobody's buying these, at least in some stores. You got the top off with the battery. This is a 6 amp hour battery down to 140. That's actually a pretty dang good deal. So about $70 a piece. And then you got the tumblers, 24 down from 34. That's a pretty good deal. Same thing with these fastbacks. This is a killer deal on these. $17 down from $19. And then you got the miter saw, which I'm thinking about getting a Dewalt miter saw, $359 down from $449. And then there you go. That's it. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.